Good morning, children. Welcome to your English period. Children, we have finished MCQ 2. Okay, now today I'll start with a new lesson that is from your course book, lesson number 6, The Wolf and the Little Goats. The Wolf and the Little Goats. Okay, this is a story of wolf and little goats, kids. Okay, the babies of goats. Yes, children, this is very interesting story. Children, in this story we are going to learn about being alert and aware of dangers. इसका मतलब है like you are a small children, okay, है ना, आप छोटे बच्चे हो. When your parents are not at home, how you should be alert, है ना, how you should be alert, and your parents are saying to do this and don't do that. Okay, so children, be careful of that and listen to your parents properly. Got it, children? To be careful. Okay, to be careful. Okay, come on, let's start the lesson and see. Before beginning the lesson, children, see this picture from your book. Can you see this picture? Okay, now this is mother goat. Who is this? Mother goat and three little kids, and they are living in a small house. They are living in a red brick house है ना, red color के house में रहते हैं. Okay, now in this picture, children, you can see one more animal. Wolf. Okay, what is this? Wolf and tree. Got it? Come on, let's see the story about this wolf and the three little goats Okay, come on, let's start, children. This is very interesting story, children. Through this story, children, you will also learn how you should be helping others and how you should be aware of dangers, how you should be careful. Okay, come on, let's start. Mother goat lived with her three kids in a pretty red brick house near a jungle. Okay, now as I saw you in this picture, mother goat रहती कहाँ पे? With her three little kids, three little kids in a pretty means beautiful, red, see the color of the house, red brick house. Brick means ईंट, है ना, जब घर बनाते हैं, दीवार बनाते हैं, वॉल बनाते हैं, तो ईंट लगती है ना वो रेड कलर की, राइट, दैट इज ब्रिक, नियर अ जंगल. One day, Mother Goat had to go out to get something to eat. Why Mother Goat wants to go out? Mother Goat wants to go out to get something to eat. कुछ खाने के लिए लाने के लिए Mother Goat was going to the market. Okay, now let's see this what Mother Goat is saying. I am going out to get us all some food. I am going out to get us all some food. Be careful. Yes, children, what I told you in the beginning, that when your parents are not at home, you should be careful. Okay, with all the things inside our house also, not only from the strangest children, but inside our house also you should be careful with the sharp things, with electrical appliances, right? With water. Be careful, children. Do not open the door until I return. Be very careful of the wicked wolf. Wicked means the people or the animal which is very bad. Which is very tricky also. Okay, what Mother Goat is saying? Be careful, children. है ना, संभल के रहना. Do not open the door until I return. Until means जब तक मैं return वापिस आऊँ. Be very careful of the wicked wolf. Now I can eat the little. Now I can eat the little goats. Who said these words? Wolf. Who said this word? Wolf. Because wolf है ना, जो पीछे wolf is hiding behind the tree. Wolf is listening what Mother Goat told to her children, है ना. Wolf सुन रहा है कि मदर गोट ने अपने बच्चों को क्या बोला है कि अब मैं जा रही हूँ मार्केट टू गेट समथिंग टू ईट, टू गेट सम फूड फॉर अस, सो बी केयरफुल, डोंट ओपन द डोर, है ना, ये सब बोला था. तो वो वुल्फ कैसे बोलता है? नाउ आई कैन ईट द लिटिल गोट्स, अब मैं लिटिल गोट्स को खा सकता हूँ. श्योर ममा विल बी वेरी केयरफुल, श्योर ममा विल बी वेरी केयरफुल, कि हम बहुत केयरफुल रहेंगे. ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज गोइंग टू हैपन नेक्स्ट? Okay, here we finished the first page. Now you must be thinking na children कि अब क्या होने वाला है. Children, this is the hard word. See here, brick house, a house built with blocks of baked hard clay, usually red. है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा मीनिंग है, बट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ब्रिक मीन्स ईंटे. ये देखो ब्रिक्स है ना, वो ईंटे. बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल, टेक केयर एंड मेक श्योर यू आर सेफ. है ना, मतलब केयर लेना और देखना कि हम सेफ हैं. विकेड मीन्स बैड, एज आई टोल्ड यू. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज चिल्ड्रन. नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 58. ओके, come to the next page. Soon after there was a knock on the front door. Knock. This is a knock. Soon after, soon means थोड़ी देर बाद, there was a knock on the front door. Ma, it's me, your mother. Ma, open the door, dears. Children, come on, imitate the sound of this one. Goat. Goat कैसे करती है? Ma, ma, isn't it? Yeah. Ma, it's me, your mother. Ma, open the door, dears. Now, the youngest goat was very clever. यंगेस्ट गोट यानी कि वो 3 गोट्स थे ना, उसमें से जो यंगेस्ट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट गोट, सबसे स्मॉलर वन है ना, जो छोटा गोट था वो वेरी क्लेवर. ही वॉज वेरी क्लेवर. रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन, कौन फ्रॉम ऑल द 3 गोट्स हु वॉज क्लेवर? द यंगेस्ट गोट वॉज वेरी क्लेवर. ही सॉ द वुल्फ्स टेल थ्रू द विंडो. उसने क्या देख लिया? वुल्फ्स टेल फ्रॉम द विंडो, थ्रू द विंडो. सी हियर, है ना. हाँ, नाउ सी, अवर मदर हैज़ द स्वीटेस्ट वॉइस इन द वर्ल्ड. है ना, किसकी वॉइस सबसे स्वीट है वर्ल्ड में? आवर मदर हैज़ द स्वीटेस्ट वॉइस इन द वर्ल्ड. यू आर नॉट आवर मदर, यू आर द वुल्फ. गो